Hello and welcome to the Worldwide News. My name is Jagdish. Our top story today says Russian forces have made advances in Ukraine's Dnipropetrovsk region, indicating a shift in frontline combat. Iran faces renewed international sanctions over its nuclear program, while reports suggest the return of nuclear inspectors as not full cooperation. United Nations announced the creation of a global advisory panel on artificial intelligence, a move to address increasing concerns over AI regulation and ethics. China-Russia relations described as most stable in today's volatile global landscape, according to President Xi Jinping. Major protests in Israel are demanding the release of hostages as hospitals report casualties from continuing Israeli strikes in Gaza. A deadly shooting at a Minneapolis Catholic school is being investigated as an act of terrorism and anti-Catholic hate crime. 2 killed, 17 injured, including 14 children. Joint Russian-Chinese submarine patrols have taken place for the first time in the Pacific, marking a significant military collaboration. Flooding and landslides in Thailand and Vietnam have caused at least 8 fatalities due to heavy rainstorms. Myanmar's junta launched an airstrike that killed at least 12 people in a region experiencing starvation. France faces political instability ahead of confidence votes, with possible impacts for EU governance. Denmark summons top US diplomat over alleged covert American influence operations in Greenland. India and South Asia issues new tariffs on Indian exports, including a 50% hike, driving talk of trade diversification in India. Imran Khan's party declares it will boycott the upcoming by-elections in Pakistan. 2 new Supreme Court judges appointed in India, increasing the bench strength. India officially bids to host the 2030 Commonwealth Games in Ahmedabad, awaiting cabinet approval. Polio cases in Pakistan increase, with 2 more cases reported, bringing the national total to 23. Other news of note: Turkey's president unveils Steel Dome air defense system, calling it a milestone for the country's security. Argentina investigates stolen Nazi-looted artwork, recently surfaced in a real estate listing. Passenger bus accident in Kabul, Afghanistan, kills 25 people. Top sports headlines: Ravichandran Ashwin retires from IPL, signals intent to play in overseas leagues. FIFA threatens to ban India's Football Federation (AIFF) unless its constitution is ratified by October 30th. Venus Williams loses her first Grand Slam match in 2 years at the US Open. Shooter Sifat Kaur Samra gives India a golden double at the Asian Shooting Championship.